At this 90,000 population equivalent wastewater treatment facility, water is purified much along the same principles that occur naturally in a river. After mechanical raking of large objects and the removal of grease and sand, small or dissolved particles are removed in a biological process step. Here, millions of bacteria feed on organic waste, breaking it up into carbon dioxide, nitrogen gas and water. Because the bacteria need oxygen, large amounts of air are blown into the mixture. In the final sedimentation, sludge is scraped from the bottom, while purified water overflows and is led to the nearby river. The low-pressure air needed for biological cleaning is provided by blowers. These typically consume 50 to 60% of the total energy used in a wastewater facility. On a larger scale, an estimated 3% of the USA's energy consumption, equivalent to approximately 56 billion kilowatt hours, is used for drinking water and wastewater services. Assuming the average mix of energy sources in the country, this equates to adding approximately 45 million tons of greenhouse gas to the atmosphere. Therefore, much is at stake when considering energy-efficient alternatives to conventional blowers. The Atlas Copco ZS Plus offers just such an alternative. In a traditional roots-type blower, lobed rotors turn inside a casing. As air is displaced from inlet to outlet, its volume remains constant. The trapped air is then compressed by the backward flow of air from the discharge system. This diagram shows the energy needed for compression and delivery of the air to the outlet port of the lobe element. This is often called external compression. In the screw blower, the volume of the air trapped between the male and female rotor gradually decreases, resulting in a pressure increase. Due to this internal compression, the discharge volume is smaller than the suction volume, and less energy is needed to supply the compressed air to the aeration tank. The energy saving of a screw blower element versus a roots blower element is shown by the green area in the diagram. In this chart, it's clear to see the effect of the internal compression ratio when compared to the external compression of a lobe rotor element. As can be seen at a typical operating pressure of 0.6 bar or 9 psi, the screw blower achieves much higher actual efficiency. Not only does the internal compression provide a much higher efficiency at full load running, but the efficiency advantage of the screw blower becomes even greater at reduced flow requirements, because it's able to maintain a more consistent volumetric efficiency. Apart from the compression itself, other design features further set the ZS Plus apart. As opposed to the pulley transmission of a typical roots-type blower, the ZS Plus has an integrated gearbox, transmitting the energy more efficiently to the rotors. The inlet filter and the smooth discharge system of the ZS Plus are designed for minimal pressure drops. A true wire-to-air comparison has to take into account all possible power losses that can occur in a blower. That's why Atlas Copco includes all the losses in the blower package. For example, a 50 millibar or 0.7 psi pressure drop may appear small, but when a blower is only producing 500 millibar or 7 psi, this adds up to 10% of the power consumption.
Tests over a 6-month period at this wastewater treatment plant have shown that the specific energy requirement of the screw blower was on average 28% lower than that of a roots blower, at a pressure of only 600 millibar. And at 50% load, it was even 34% lower. Also, the standard aeration efficiency is excellent. By combining the specific energy requirement results with the off-gas analysis results, aeration with the ZS Plus proved to be up to 42% more efficient than a classic roots blower.
The Atlas Copco ZS Plus blower comes in a fully integrated package, including variable speed drive, to precisely match the air delivery to the demand. Its low noise level minimizes the impact on the working environment. Precision timing gears and superior rotor coating allow close tolerances for maximum compression efficiency and a reliable supply of clean, 100% oil-free air. On top of that, the Electronicon allows easy external flow control via a 4 to 20 milliamp signal, as well as integration into Modbus, Profibus and Ethernet. With the new Atlas Copco ZS Plus screw blower, think how much energy you could save, helping to improve the global environment for future generations.